Want to fix Instagram's map feature not showing up? Here's what to do step by step. Update Instagram from the App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram and if you see Update, tap it. If it's still missing, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, scroll down and log out. Save your account info, then close the app completely. Reopen Instagram and log back in, then check for the map feature. Still not there? Delete the Instagram app from your device, reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store, and try again. If you see the map but it's not showing other people's locations, make sure location services are turned on for your phone. Go to your phone settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure it's on, find Instagram in the list, and set it to while using the app or always. Once everything is updated and location access is granted, the map should appear in your DMs, ready for you to explore. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite Instagram tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick social media fixes.